Welcome to this tutorial on how to keep your Facebook friends list completely private. In today's digital age, maintaining privacy on social media is more important than ever. Here, we'll walk you through the simple steps to ensure that no one can see your friends list on Facebook using your PC. First, open Facebook and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. However, instead of going directly to settings, we'll take a slightly different approach to access the friends list settings. Click on your profile photo again to enter your profile page. Here, you'll see a variety of options. Look for the More button and click on it. This will expand more sections of your profile. Next, choose the Friends section. This is where you manage who can see your friends list. Once you're in the Friends section, you'll notice 3 dots at the top right corner of the Friends list box. Click on these dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit Privacy. Now, you'll be taken to a page where you can control who can see your friends list. Here you have several options, including Public, Friends, Specific Friends, Friends Except, and Only Me. To completely hide your friends list from everyone, select Only Me. This means that only you will be able to see your friends list, and no one else will have access to it. Finally, click Done to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully made your friends list private, ensuring that no one can view it except you. By following these steps, you can maintain your privacy on Facebook and control who sees your friends list. Remember, privacy settings can change over time, so it's always a good idea to check them periodically to ensure they're set to your liking. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in securing your Facebook profile.